I'm going to show you exactly how to hide the navbar in WordPress, the easiest way, no plugins and no code. Start from your WordPress dashboard because every step happens inside the built-in editor. In the left sidebar, click Appearance, then click Editor. This opens the WordPress site editor. On the left, click Patterns. Then in the Patterns panel, choose Template Parts. Find Header in the list and click it. If you land on a preview instead of the editor, click the Edit button. You're now looking at the actual header template part, which holds your site title, maybe a logo, and the navigation links. Before you delete anything, know what this changes. This header is global, so removing navigation here hides the navbar on every page that uses this header. That also removes your main page links, so only do this if that's what you actually want. If you only need it hidden on one landing page, leave this alone and use the template method in a minute. For a full site hide, continue here. Now click directly on one of your menu links to select the navigation block. If the wrong thing highlights or you can't grab it, open List View in the top left toolbar. In the list, find Navigation and click it. Make sure you have navigation selected, not the whole header. If you delete the header, you lose your logo and top bar too. With the navigation block selected, click the three-dot menu in the toolbar and choose Delete. The menu disappears from the header immediately. Look at the top right and click Save. WordPress may ask you to confirm that you want to save the header template part. Confirm it. Then open your site in a new tab and check the home page and one inner page. The navbar should be gone in both places. Now for one specific page. Instead of touching that global header, go back to Appearance, click Editor, and this time click Templates. Find the template the page uses. If you're not sure, open that page in the block editor and check the template option in the right sidebar. Then open that template here. Use List View to select the navigation block, open the three-dot menu, and delete it. Click Save. That removes the nav from that template, which is useful for landing pages and sales pages where you want the call to action to be the only path. But be careful, if other pages use the same template, they lose the navbar too. For a true single page, duplicate the template first and assign the copy only to that one page. If you don't see Editor under Appearance at all, you're on a classic theme. Go to Appearance and click Customize. Once the customizer loads, look through the available sections for header, menus, navigation, or primary menu. Open whichever one your theme gives you. If there's a visibility option or a toggle to disable the primary menu, turn it off. Click Publish at the top. Not every classic theme gives you this control, so if the option just isn't there, the built-in no-code route stops there, and a plugin or CSS would be outside this workflow. Some block themes also let you hide the navbar without deleting it. With the navigation block selected, look at the block settings on the right. If you see a layout, visibility, or responsive section, use it to hide the block on desktop or mobile while keeping it in place. Save, then preview at both widths. This is the better option if you still want the menu available on a phone but not across the top of a landing page. Deleted the navbar and need it back, go to Appearance, click Editor, then Patterns, Template Parts, and Header again. Click Edit. Click the plus button to add a block, search for navigation, and select it. If you already have a menu, choose it from the drop-down. If not, create a new menu and add your main pages. Move the block back into position, then click Save. Check the front end to confirm the links are back. Before you finish, check both desktop and mobile layouts. Removing navigation also removes the mobile hamburger menu, and that can surprise people who only check a desktop screen. If your theme has a sticky header row, open that row's settings and make sure it isn't leaving an empty bar behind. If you see blank space where the menu used to be, click the empty group and delete it or set it to not display. The same preview step applies after any of these changes. One last thing, if this got your navbar hidden, tap like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same fix.